back to my channel. I am back with another international holiday dessert video for you all. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Kaju Barfi or Kaju Katli to get you ready to celebrate Diwali, the Hindu festival of the lights. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking.
To make the Kaju Barfi or Kaju Katli, you'll need 1 cup of cashews, a half a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of water, 2 teaspoons of ghee, a quarter teaspoon of cardamom, and edible silver leaves. To get started, pulse the cashews in a food processor until it becomes a fine powder. Make sure not to pulse too much, otherwise the cashews will release their oils and turn into a paste. Sieve the cashew powder to remove any lumps. Heading over to the stove, in a medium saucepan, add in the sugar and water and stir continuously until the sugar has dissolved. Let the mixture come to a boil until it reaches 230 to 235 degrees Fahrenheit, or you get a one-string consistency. Reduce the heat to low and add in the cashew powder and mix well. Stir continuously until everything is well combined and a smooth paste forms. Add in the ghee and cardamom powder and stir all together. Continue to stir until the paste becomes nice and smooth and the dough leaves the sides of the pan. This should take about 10 minutes. Transfer the mixture onto a sill mat or a piece of parchment paper and let it cool for about 3 to 4 minutes. Using a spatula, fold in the mixture until it thickens, forming a dough. Once the dough is formed, place parchment paper on top and roll it until it's about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. To decorate, apply the silver leaves to the top. Cut the dough into 1-inch wide strips going down horizontally. Then cut 1-inch strips diagonally to create diamond shapes. Separate the diamonds, and now you're ready to celebrate Diwali with some pretty delicious Kaju Barfi.
Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a great time making the Kaju Barfi or Kaju Katli, and I hope you did as well. Not only were they super tasty, but they were absolutely stunning on the table. If you recreate the Kaju Barfi or any of the desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your Kaju Barfi and have a great Diwali. Alevara!